Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Open the workbook that will receive data and the workbook that holds the source. Make sure calculation is set to automatic so links update. If not, switch it. Once done, enable relevant add-ins such as Power Query or ODD drivers because they make connections stable and repeatable. You should save both files to a trusted location so Excel won't block external connections. Now you're ready to create your first connection step. You'll use Data Get Data to bring in external content. Choose from File, from Database, or from Web depending on source. When prompted, provide credentials and set the privacy level. This prevents accidental data leaks between sources. Next, transform or filter data in the Power Query editor to reduce rows and columns before loading. Doing so improves performance. Then choose Load to a table, pivot table, or choose Only Create Connection if you plan to combine multiple queries first. To finish, hit Data Refresh All and watch the linked data update in your workbook. This confirms the connection. Make sure connection properties are set. Enable refresh on open or background refresh as needed, and configure a refresh schedule for automated updates. If something fails, first re-enter credentials and confirm file paths or server names. Next, check network/firewall and privacy level conflicts, because those are common blockers. If needed, rebuild the query.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.